Well, good afternoon again, everybody, and welcome back to another 25 days of mental health tips and tricks for our sort of Vlogmas situation that we're doing here. Obviously, it's not really Vlogmas because that would be through the whole month of December, but we are not doing that. We're basically just doing the 25 days of Christmas is basically what it is. We are on day 4 already of this awesome little time that we get to spend together. Again, they're just quick little videos that we're doing here, but we wanted to make you guys aware of how important you are and how loved you are, and that's why we're doing this. So on our awesome day 4 of the 25 days of tips and tricks for mental health, we are going to be talking about some little tiny things that go along with well, just life in general. So our day 4 is actually invite someone into your home for a meal. Now, we completely understand those of you that struggle with mental health and struggle with just having somebody actually come in or even being around people and stuff like that. We understand that there are people like that. So we wanted to give you guys some extra little tips that you could do with regards to that. You don't have to invite somebody into your home for a meal if you're really struggling with stuff like that. But you know what? There are often many different ways that we can do stuff like that. I'm just going to read this scripture really quickly to you. It's from Acts 16:33 to 34, and it says, "At that hour of the night, the jailer took them and washed their wounds. Then immediately he and all his household were baptized. The jailer brought them into his house and set a meal before them. He was filled with joy because he had come to believe in God, he and his whole household." Okay, so the point of that specific scripture, that why we're sharing it with you, is because we want you guys to know that hospitality is a big thing, okay? Especially in the month of December where people are lonely, people are desperate for human contact. But again, we also know that some people struggle with human contact, struggle with having somebody in their home. So yes, the tip for today is to invite someone into your home for a meal, but how about what if you make an arrangement with a friend or something like that, and they don't necessarily come into your home, but they get food for themselves and you have food for yourself, and you do it on a Zoom meetup or even on Facebook Messenger, or however that you can stream each other like that to talk to each other and share a meal together. You know what? That is a good first step in creating kindness in your life, creating love in your life, whatever it may be. We know that it can be difficult. We understand that. And that's why we're trying to give you guys other little tips along with the main tip of inviting someone into your home to share a meal with you. If you are able to do something like that, it would be an awesome thing to be able to do. If you're unable to do that, then sharing it via a Zoom meetup or a like I said, Facebook Messenger, however it is that you are able to do that, that can make a difference. Another way that I have found that I can do that is, even if I was to just watch a video of somebody that I really enjoyed watching, like on YouTube, for instance. There are many YouTubers that you could just watch and enjoy a meal by sharing time with them that way. And if you feel bold enough, you can always comment on it. So even what we're doing right now, if you want to just grab yourself even some toast or something and just eat it while you're watching this little quick video of a tip of a way that you can spread the love this season. So whatever works the best way for you, inviting somebody in or sharing a meal with somebody via Zoom or Messenger chat or whatever it is, whichever is the easiest way for you, just take the opportunity, because you know what? It's in the selflessness of that, of sharing with somebody, that they get to have something special from you, whatever it is, even if it's just sharing gum together. Mandy and I shared Starburst candies one time via live stream, via our video that we shared with you guys on a self-soothe, just as a reminder that, you know what, you can do those things. You can enjoy even a little thing like that together, and just spread the love. Spread your love with other people. It's free. All right. Bye for now. Thanks for joining with us again, and we will see you tomorrow. Bye for now.